Alright, hey everybody. I'm here at the transit center in Wayne, New Jersey. And I'm waiting for my bus to the mall. And then a bus to Passaic, and then a train to Upper Montclair. Nice little commute. It just takes longer than, a direct ride to Upper Montclair. I'm gonna try it for a discovered check, probably. Now let's hope he blunders and thinks that knight is hanging. Right? So if he does this... Actually, that's not a bad move, to be honest. But I'll still leave him up. No, would be even. He'd be up pawns a lot. 3 pawns. So he might actually do that. That's actually a pretty good idea. So now he's got the mate in 2 without any opposition. We may likely have this exchange here, which I kind of like. He's got an isolated pawn, so do I. Only thing is that knight is pinned against the bishop, but I could simply play this. Here I'm still down a knight. After this, it's a checkmate in 1. He could delay it a little, it looks like. I mean, if he decides to do something like that. I'd still give the check here. And the checkmate. Oops. Alright, now we can take that bishop. already. Yeah, I think that works for me. So he only has one move, and it's that move there. I would give check here. And then probably come here. Oh, shoot. That doesn't really work too well, does it? Still think it's a good move. Okay, yeah, this is the game that I wanted to talk to you about. So it opens up with the Sicilian closed variation. Now, why people try that, I'm not sure. That knight move refutes it. Decide to take the bishop now. Stacks his pawns on the c file. I fianchetto my dark squared bishop. Again, he's trying for a quick checkmate. Now I castle. And this is where I made my mistake by coming here, because I don't have any escape routes. And he didn't need to necessarily close that one down. He could have played the rook move that he's going to do on the second move. So I still have a slight chance here. I tried to deflect this knight, and that's when he closes down on my queen. thought that might have been my bus. It's not. So, having losing. So, my queen is lost, so I decide to take out a rook for the queen. Now I'm feeling pretty ashamed of myself having blundered like that. Play continues. Try to go for the queen. So I decide to take the bishop. He takes mine. I defend the knight. Take a pawn. Now here's where I'm hoping he makes a mistake, and he does. Well, not just yet. So I simply fall back here. Pressure the queen. He takes. Now I can't do the fork that I want to do with my dark squared bishop against his queen and giving check on his king, because the knight has that square covered. So I do this, and he takes the bait. He takes with the knight, and here I win the queen. And that brings us up to speed. Alright, I wanted to close on that. So, maybe I'll catch you guys later after I get to Upper Montclair.